sub-packages. So topic 1 and topic 2 was including NumPy sub-packages. Similarly, it is known as SciPy sub-packages. What do you mean by SciPy? It is known as scientific Python. It is having better advantage than NumPy. Some of the mathematical operation which we cannot perform with NumPy, we can do it with SciPy. So the common library sub-package is linalg. Linalg already I have explained with the NumPy. We can find with the help of linalg's determinant inverse. Similar way, we can do it with the SciPy sub-packages also. That means there we was importing from NumPy. We was importing linalg from NumPy. But here we will import from SciPy. That's all. That is only a small difference. There we will write first import NumPy as NP, and then from SciPy import linalg. There we was writing from NumPy, but the function linalg will perform the same operation as we was doing in NumPy. So SciPy sub is also having sub packages which includes linalg. That means it will perform any linear algebra working functionalities on the matrix. Same way it will perform the SciPy is also having sub package of FFT, which will perform the fast Fourier transform. Already I have explained these two concepts in the NumPy. No need to explain the same thing there. That means linalg and FFT we can perform with the help of NumPy sub package also, or we can perform with the help of SciPy also, SciPy sub package also. Now the next sub package of SciPy which is important is nothing but integration or integrate. Let us consider integrate is the sub package which is there in the SciPy. So I wanted to find the integration of any function. Let us consider 2x square plus 1. Now this function 2x square plus 1, you want to find the integration between the limit. Let us consider 0 and 1. So what is the target now? We need to find this integration, integrate 0 to 1, 2x square plus 1 into dx. There is only one variable. Then the quad, QUAD, quad will come into the picture, which is again the SciPy sub packages. So SciPy is having sub packages of integrate. With the help of that, we can find any integration within any limits. Now I will explain the simple way. If I wanted to perform the integration of 2x square plus 1, which is in the one variable function, then we can use quad, QUAD, quad. Quad will perform the integration of single variable function between the given limits. Similarly, if you want to, that is also known as single integration. If you want to use DBL quad, QUAD, then it will perform double integration, and TVL means triple integration. So let us consider, I am considering simple integration of one variable. Then first we need to define the function here. Now what is the function? You need to write any name of the function. Let us consider first I will call the SciPy, and from SciPy I will call the integrate, and then I will define the function. Let us consider DEF, that will define the name of the function. I am giving some name. Let us consider I'm giving the name as integrand in terms of x. Then what I will do, I will define the integrand x and then return. Return means whatever equation you wanted to do for the integration, you write it on that. So return is the equation was 2x square plus 1. So I will write to return 2x plus 1. And then you find the the next line is quad integrand, that is your name of the function, name of the integration which you have given, comma, lower limit and upper limit, that is 0 and comma 1. You will get the integration. So you can find that we can perform the integration with the help of SciPy sub package integrate, and quad function will that you have to be careful. So let us consider how you are going to find the integration. For that I am going to explain the concept. First you need to define the function. That function is nothing but the name of the function. You can decide, you can define any name, and then return will be the equation on which you are going to perform the integration. So return, let us consider your equation is 2x square plus 1, and then you can use the command QUAD, which will perform the integration of single variable and you can write in the small bracket the name of integration which you have defined, comma lower limit, comma upper limit. Similarly, you can use DVL QAD and TVL QAD. So with the help of this integrand, with the help of this integrate sub packages, we can find any integration between the given limits, which is nothing but you can say that plus minus infinity or any limits you can perform it. So see, with the help of only 2-line codes to define the function, return the equation, and write on the command, we can find the integration of any given equation, which is a very powerful tools, and we can integrate any variable in we can integrate any given function in terms of single variable, and SciPy sub packages will help us. Now the next sub packages of SciPy, which is very important, is nothing but interpolate. Now question will come, you will ask, okay, integration I understood because we have studied. Now what is interpolate? Interpolate is nothing but you need to find any data points based on the known data points. Again, I did not understand what's said. Like from given data points, you can find the new data points. My dear friend, it is just like a writing an equation, plotting the equation, or representing the equation with given data points. Let us consider a straight line. What is the equation of a straight line, my dear friend? Equation of a straight line is nothing but y minus y1 equals to slope into x minus x1. Slope is a constant term which you are having now. You can write the equation, you can find the equation y minus y1 equals to a slope into x minus x1. Now see here, you are knowing y1 value, you are knowing x1 value, and you are finding the relation between y and x. Because what is the equation of straight line? You are saying that equation of straight line is y minus y1 equals to slope into x minus x1. Slope is a constant term, which is, let us consider any value. Then, my dear friend, you wanted to find the relation between y and x with the help of given value y1 and x1. Because what is the equation? Y minus y1, you need the value of y1 is equals to slope into x minus x1. You need the value of x1. So see here, with a given data set of y1, x1 comma y1, we are finding the new data points of y and x. Or you can say that it is just like a finding a new relation from given data points. Or you can say that you are finding the relation between two different points based on their given data points. So the interpolate concept is very simple. Let us consider you are having equation y equals to cos into x. Now again, what is that? You have, if you are putting some value of known value of x, you will get the value of y. That means you are interpolating with the known data. You are interpolating the relationship between y and x with the help of given value of previous given value of y and x. So this is the concept of interpolation, and interpolate is nothing but sub package of SciPy which can be done, and we can define the relationship between y and x for given some certain range of value of y and x. And that is nothing but, as I said, you to plot the equation of a straight line. That means y minus y1 equals to slope into x minus x1. So you need to find the relation between y and x, means you need to know the value of y1 and x1. That means from given one data sets, we are finding another data sets. So in that case, the interpolation will help us, and this is another sub package of SciPy which I have explained. The next small topic of SciPy sub package is optimize, and there optimize means you know to optimize any function, and it is very simple: finding minimum value, finding maximum value of any function, and that is for that there is one sub package which is nothing but SciPy optimize. Thank you very much.